Okay, here's my vastly improved forge, propane tank forge, Pentagon Fire Brick design, self-supporting, with sand and plaster of Paris mixture in the channels underneath the bricks, and a couple pieces of rebar sticking through the channels there, you can see, for extra support. So yeah, that's way better than what I had before, just the one fire brick on the bottom and plaster of Paris molded around it. It completely fell apart, so gonna see how this works. Gonna let it dry out for about a week and be ready to go.